Every study session starts with the right filters. Here's how to fine-tune each one before you begin. Start with your question source. With Annexes loads only questions that include images or charts. Without Annexes loads questions that don't have any images, and All Questions covers everything. Turn on only real exam questions to study questions that have actually appeared in real exams, across every country, or just the ones you choose. Open the country drop-down and tick the specific countries you want real exam questions from. Choose Previously Unseen to study only questions you haven't seen yet. Since they're unmarked, flags and marks are automatically disabled. Or pick Incorrectly Answered to revisit only the questions you've gotten wrong before, great for focused review. Flags and marks let you filter by how you tagged questions: green, yellow, red, important, and more. We'll cover marking questions in another video. Use the range slider to set exactly how many questions to include, from just one up to the full total available. Quick filters like Most Difficult and Hardest for Me instantly load the toughest questions for extra practice. If your filters are too strict, you'll see a red No Questions Available warning, and Start Studying will be disabled until you loosen a filter. The exam simulator has all the same filters, plus a timer, and buttons to shuffle your questions and answers for a true exam experience. Now you're ready to filter every session your way. Head to atplaviation.com and try it now.